Hello everyone, today let's we meet 20 air transports. First, aeroplane. An aeroplane is a common air transport vehicle. It is used to carry passengers and goods. It can travel very fast, very long distances. It is widely used for domestic and international travels. Next, helicopter. A helicopter can fly straight up and down. It can land in small or difficult areas. It is used in rescue and emergency services. It is also used by the military and police. Next, jet plane. A jet plane is powered by jet engines. It flies faster than normal aeroplanes. It is mostly used for long distance travel. It helps save travel time. Next, cargo plane. A cargo plane is used to transport goods. It does not carry passengers. It can carry heavy and large items. It is important for trade and business. Next, fighter jet. A fighter jet is a military aircraft. It is designed for air combat. It is very fast and powerful. It helps protect the country. Next, private jet. A private jet is used by individuals or companies. It provides comfort and privacy. It is smaller than commercial planes. It saves time during travel. Next, glider. A glider is an aircraft without an engine. It flies using air currents. It is used for training and sports. It provides smooth and silent flight. Next, hot air balloon. A hot air balloon flies using hot air. It moves slowly in the sky. It is mainly used for tourism. It gives a beautiful aerial view. Next, drone. A drone is an unmanned aerial vehicle. It is controlled remotely. It is used for photography and surveillance. It presents modern technology. Next, air ambulance. An air ambulance carries sick or injured people. It is used in emergency situations. It is equipped with medical tools. It helps save lives quickly. Next, seaplane. A seaplane can land on water. It is used near seas and lakes. It has floats instead of wheels. It is useful for island transport. Next, airship. An airship is filled with light gas. It is very large in size. It was used more in the past. Today it is rarely used. Next, paraglider. A paraglider is used for adventure sports. It is flown from hills or mountains. It gives an exciting flying experience. It is popular among tourists. Next, bomber aircraft. A bomber aircraft is used in war. It can carry heavy bombs. It can fly long distances. It is important for military operations. Next, training aircraft. A training aircraft is used to train pilots. It is lightly and easy to control. It usually has two seats. It is used in flying schools. Next, charter plane. A charter plane is hired for private trips. It is not a regular commercial flight. It offers flexible travel options. It is used for special journeys. Next, sport plane. A sports plane is used in air sports. It is small and very agile. It can perform aerial stunts. It is popular in air shows. Next, ultra light aircraft. An ultra light aircraft is very lightweight. It consumes less fuel. It is easy to fly. It is used for hobby flying. Next, surveillance aircraft. A surveillance aircraft is used for monitoring. It is equipped with cameras and radar. It helps in security operations. It is used to observe large areas. Next, space shuttle. A space shuttle travels into space. It is used for scientific missions. It is very powerful and advanced. It shows human technological progress.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, share.